In this video, I am going to show you how to upload HTML verification file to WordPress without cPanel. So let's see how we can do it. To upload HTML file to WordPress, at first we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard. And now we need to install a plugin, and with the help of this plugin we can easily access our WordPress website files and upload our HTML file. So from the WordPress website dashboard, click on plugins and then click on add new. Now here we are going to search for a plugin, Filester, and we are going to install and activate this plugin. After installing and activating this plugin, on the left menu you will see a new option, File Manager. So we are going to click on it. And here you will see all your WordPress website files and folders. Now to upload our HTML file, from the top we are going to click on this upload button. Now we are going to click on select files. After that we are going to select the file from our computer and then click on open. And as you can see that our file is now successfully uploaded. And in this way you can easily verify the ownership of your website. Currently we have uploaded our HTML file to the root folder or main folder, but if you want to add the verification HTML file to any other folder like WP admin or WP content, then double click on the folder and it will open up. Now from the top just click on upload and you can upload your file here. So this is how you can upload HTML file to WordPress without cPanel. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.